Hello, my name is Bernard Schneider. I'm Senior Lecturer or Associate Professor in International Tax Law at CCLS, and I'm also the Director of our two tax LLM programs, the LLM in Tax Law and the LLM in International Tax Law. U.S. international taxation covers the structure, principles, rules, and application of the U.S. international and cross-border tax system. The U.S. is one of the world's most important tax systems, not only because of the importance of the U.S. economy, but also because it's highly sophisticated and innovative. The U.S. was the main or one of the main movers of many areas of international taxation that we now take for granted, including transfer pricing and the arm's length standard, controlled foreign corporations, the exchange of tax information, and thin capitalization, among others. It's also important because the size and strength of the U.S. economy and the degree of inbound and outbound investment and transactions mean that many practitioners and even government officials will come up against the U.S. tax system at some point in their careers. And there is no better place in the UK and Europe, perhaps even outside the United States itself, than CCLS to study US international taxation. Many institutions that offer this area do not do so as a full academic module the way we do. I spent about a decade in practice looking primarily at various aspects of US international and cross-border taxation before becoming an academic with a focus on international comparative tax law. So we look at a range of important issues, including jurisdictional principles, the inbound and outbound tax regimes, income tax treaties, and US tax policy in depth and from a practical perspective. We also place the US system in its domestic and international contexts so that you understand why the US system looks the way it does and how and why it differs from the tax systems of other countries. Like all my modules, US international taxation is run more like a seminar than a traditional lecture-based module. Participation is encouraged and discussion is welcomed. This makes for a more interesting and sometimes very lively class for me and for the students. I hope to be able to welcome you to the tax program and to US international taxation. Thank you.